Hi guys, this is Ken. We're in my garage and I'm doing just a little welding project. I'm building a little stand that I'm going to bolt a throttle pedal to just raise it off the floor a little bit. And I just wanted to show you a little trick. Let's look at it. This is what I'm building, and it's going to raise the pedal off the floor by 1 inch. It's also going to have some tabs welded to it to bolt on. But I need something to bolt the pedal to. And I didn't want them sticking up above this, like if I just set a nut on it. And I was going to use a riv nut, but they also sit up a little bit, so I needed it to sit flush so the pedal would mount more solidly. So what I did was I drilled some rather large holes, and then I chamfered them. The inner hole is 1/2 inch. The outer hole is close to 5/8, excuse me. And the reason I did that is I'm going to take these nuts right here. Let's back off a little bit, get some focus. There we go. Flange nuts. I can drop them in the hole. So let's put that one over there. And that one right there. And then when I weld them, look at that, they're flush. They sit right down inside the holes, flush with the metal. So I'm going to take my TIG welder and I'm going to just run it around there and weld those in. They'll be flush. Might have to grind it a little bit. I'm not that good at the TIG welder. But we'll make it flush and then it'll be ready to go. I'll weld some tabs on and we'll bolt it to the throttle pedal. See how it works. Here's a shot of the finished product. That hole turned out really well. That one got kind of messy, but that'll work. And it is very much, can you see it? Very much flush. Just a little tip. Hope you guys liked it. And get out there and work on your stuff.